another crisis situation Sri Lanka is going to face. Another crisis, තවත් අරුබුදයක් Sri Lanka is going to face. ශ්‍රී ලංකාව මුහුණ දෙන්න යන තවත් අරුබුදයක්. What is that? Inflation. Here, my purpose is to improve English speaking skills by talking about a current situation. That is the aim of this video. And I will address 3 questions in this video. One is, what is this inflation? Inflation. උද්ධමනය. Increase in general price level. මිල මට්ටම ඉහළ යාම. Inflation. උද්ධමනය. Then, how does printing money cause inflation? Cause, ඇති කරනවා. Printing money. මුදල් අච්චු ගැහිම. How does printing money cause inflation? And then, is what Mr. Cabral says correct? Mr. Cabral, Ajit Nivard Cabral, former governor of the central bank. මහ බැංකුවේ කලින් මහ බැංකුව අධිපති. He said printing money has no impact on inflation. No impact. බලපෑමක් නැහැ on inflation. Inflation එක මත. He said printing money has no impact. That sentence grammatically is the direct speech. He said printing money has no impact. How do you convert into indirect speech? He said that printing money had no impact on inflation. Right. Is what Cabral says correct? This is also another nice sentence. What Cabral says, Cabral කියන දේ is correct. Is what Cabral says correct? Cabral කියන දේ නිවැරදිද? So these are the 3 questions I am going to address with this video. First of all, let's identify what this inflation is. First of all, ප්‍රථමයෙන්ම inflation, උද්ධමනය. What is inflation? What is උද්ධමනය? It is the persistent increase in general price level. Persistent, continuous, not temporary. Akhanda, persistent, akhanda. So, inflation is the persistent increase in general price level. General price level. පොදු මිල මට්ටම. සමස්ත මිල මට්ටම. General price level is an indicator of the relative change in prices of all goods and services. It is not calculated based on the prices of all goods and services. It is not calculated. ඒක මනින්නේ සියලුම භාණ්ඩ හා සේවා අරගෙන නෙමෙයි. But it represents නියෝජනය කරනවා. It represents the prices of all goods and services of a country. So inflation is the persistent increase in that general price level. Then inflation causes a reduction in the value of money and the living standard. Reduction. අඩුවීමක්. Inflation causes a reduction in the value of money and the living standard. What do you mean by value of money? මුදලේ වටිනාකම, the amount of goods that can be purchased with a given unit of money, the amount of goods and services. භාණ්ඩ හා සේවා ප්‍රමාණය යම් නිශ්චිත මුදල් ප්‍රමාණයකින් මිලදී ගත හැකි. So that is the value of money, the purchasing power of money. මුදලේ මිලදී ගැනීමේ හැකියාව, purchasing power. And then living standard. What is the living standard? ජීවන තත්ත්වය. What does it mean? The amount of goods and services an individual can consume. In an individual. යම් පුද්ගලයෙකුට පරිභෝජනය කළ හැකි භාණ්ඩ හා සේවා ප්‍රමාණය. We can simply define living standard. The amount of goods and services an individual can consume. ජීවන තත්ත්වය. Then we are going to talk about the major reasons for inflation. We are going to talk about the major reasons, pradhana hetu. This is where we can analyze whether what Cabral said is correct or wrong. Right? This is where we can analyze. මෙතන තමයි අපිට පුළුවන් විශ්ලේෂණය කරන්න. This is where we can analyze whether what Cabral said is correct or wrong. Right. Then what are the major reasons? There are two reasons. One is demand pull inflation. The other one is cost push inflation. Today, I will only explain, I will talk about the demand pull inflation. Right. Demand pull inflation. Illumen tallu nuddamane. Demand pull inflation. Demand driven inflation. Pull and push. What is push? Tallu karana. Pull adina. Illumin adunu. Demand pull inflation. Illumin adunu uddamane. Demand driven inflation. Illuma visin mehevun labana uddamane. So what is this demand pull inflation? Inflation is the increase in general price level. Inflation is the increase in general price level. පොදු මිල මට්ටමේ වැඩිවීමක්. Demand pull inflation. That is caused due to an increase in aggregate demand. Right? So what is demand pull inflation? It's an increase in general price level due to an increase in aggregate demand. Aggregate demand. Samasta illuma. Samahara illuma. Aggregate demand. And there's a condition here beyond the full employment level. This has to happen beyond the full employment level. Beyond the full employment level. Purna seva niyukta mattamata pasuwa. Full employment. That means the country is doing what it can do, right? And then that means real GDP, real output remains the same. සත්‍ය වශයෙන් නිෂ්පාදනය කරන භාණ්ඩ හා සේවා ප්‍රමාණය එක තැන තියෙනවා. Real GDP, real output remains the same. Right? That means the country is performing at its maximum. ඉන්න පුළුවන් උපරිම තැන ඉන්නේ මේ වෙලාව හැටියට. But then aggregate demand increases. Then there will be an increase in general price level. That is what is meant by demand pull inflation. So this same thing can be denoted with this statement. Too much money chasing too few goods. Too much money. ඕනවට වඩා වැඩි මුදල් ප්‍රමාණයක්. Chasing too few goods. ඉතා අඩු භාණ්ඩ ප්‍රමාණයක් පසුපස හඹා යාම. Chase හඹා යනවා. So we can analyze this situation with a simple graph. We can analyze අපිට විශ්ලේෂණය කරන්න පුළුවන්. This is the graph, the vertical axis, Siras Akshaya price level, and the horizontal axis, Tiras Akshaya real output. And the curves, there are two curves. Vector දෙකක් තියෙනවා. One is the aggregate demand curve, the other one is the aggregate supply curve. This aggregate supply curve has an extreme shape. Extreme shape එකක් තියෙනවා මේකේ. That means there is a smoother shape. වඩා smooth shape එකක් තියෙන වක්‍රයකට අපිට යන්න පුළුවන්. But this shows an extreme shape. Extreme අන්තගාමී shape එකක්. Right? Extreme shape. ස්වරූපයක්. What is that? When the real output increase up to this level, up to this full employment level, what happens? Aggregate supply can increase without inflationary impact up to the full employment level. Aggregate supply can increase. Aggregate supply can වැඩි වෙන්න පුළුවන් without inflationary impact, without an increase in price level. Without, නැතුව රහිතව. Right? After the full employment level, real output cannot increase. Real output. මූර්ත වශයෙන් නිෂ්පාදනය කරන්න පුළුවන් භාණ්ඩ හා සේවා ප්‍රමාණය. It cannot increase. Right? Only the price level will increase. මිල මට්ටම පමණක් වැඩි වෙනවා. Right. Then this is the situation now, price level and the full employment level. Then we have to apply the change. We have to apply the change. Change එක apply කරගන්න සිදු වෙනවා. Yes. What is that? An increase in aggregate demand. Before analyzing විශ්ලේෂණය කිරීමට පෙර, let's identify the components of aggregate demand. The components of aggregate demand. සමස්ත වියදමේ, සමස්ත ඉල්ලුමේ components, සංරචක. ඒ අඩංගු වෙන දේවල් ටික. What are they? Household consumption, government consumption, investment and net exports. Household consumption. කුටුම්බ පරිභෝජනය. නිවාස නැත්නම් පෞද්ගලික පරිභෝජනය. රාජ්‍ය පරිභෝජනය. ආයෝජන සහ ශුද්ධ අපනයන. That is the difference between export and imports. Exports are import අතර වෙනස. Net exports. So, when the aggregate demand increases beyond the full employment level, as you said, full employment level එකට high. When the aggregate demand increases, there is no potential for real GDP to increase. There is no potential. විභවයක් නැහැ. ශක්්‍යතාවයක් නැහැ. හැකියාවක් නැහැ. Because the economy has already reached the full employment level. The economy has already reached. ආර්ථිකය දැන්ටමත් ළඟා වෙලා ඉවරයි. Present perfect action. Grammatically, present perfect action. So what will happen is an increase in general price level. Because when the firms of the entire country are unable to increase the real output, what they will do is to increase the price level. Right? That will cause inflation. That is known as demand pull inflation. That is called demand pull inflation. So what is demand pull inflation? It is the increase in general price level, right? Due to the increase in aggregate demand beyond the full employment output level. That is the condition, right? Okay. This demand pull inflation can be explained with with the quantity theory of money as well. This demand pull inflation can be explained. Demand pull inflation එක පැහැදිලි කරන්න පුළුවන්. Passive voice sentence. I can explain demand pull inflation. That is the active voice sentence. Demand pull inflation can be explained. That is the passive voice sentence. With quantity theory of money. Mudal pramanavade. Mudal pramanavade. What is this quantity theory of money? Quantity theory of money says that, anyway, quantity theory of money is explained with the equation of exchange. With a particular equation. යම් නිශ්චිත සමීකරණයක් මගින්. Right? යම් විශේෂිත සමීකරණයක් මගින්. With a particular equation. What is that equation? Money supply into velocity of circulation equals general price level into real output. This is an equation. This is a mathematical fact. The ganitame karanyak. You know, we can explain the world. We can explain the world with mathematics very simply. That's the purpose of mathematics. Ganite aramune eka. Loke තියෙන තත්ත්වයන් සංකීර්ණ තත්ත්වයන් දැකීම. Right? That is the beauty of mathematics. Right? This is practical. මේක හරි ප්‍රායෝගික දෙයක්. Right? Okay. So what is the equation of exchange? Money supply into velocity of circulation equals general price level into real output. What is money supply? The stock of money held by the people, held by the public. මහජනතාව විසින් තියාගෙන ඉන්න මුදල් stock එක. තොගය. The stock of money held. The stock of money which is held. එතන which is කියන එක අයින් කරන්න පුළුවන්. Grammatically. The stock of money held by the people. Passive voice sentence. They are, it's not a statement, like a adjectival clause එකක් ඒක. Adjectival clause එකක් කියලා අපි ඔබට කියන්නේ grammar වල. මිනිස්සු විසින් රඳවාගෙන තියෙන මුදල් ප්‍රමාණය. The stock of money which is held. You can remove which is held by the public. And then velocity of circulation. The number of times a given currency circulates. Right? යම් නිශ්චිත දෙවිලබන මුදල circulate වන ප්‍රමාණය, සංසරණ ප්‍රමාණය. Velocity of circulation. මුදලේ සංසරණ ප්‍රවේගය. Then general price level. As I told you, it is an indicator of the relative change in prices of all goods and services. සියලුම භාණ්ඩ හා සේවවල මිල ගණන් දක්වන එකක්, නියෝජනය කරන indicator එකක්. Right. Then real output. Real output is the true amount of goods and services without the inflationary impact. උද්දමනාත්මක බලපෑමක් නැති මූර්ත නිමැවීම. මූර්ත කියන සිංහල වචනය. වචන ටික අමාරුයි. real කියන එක ලේසි. ඒතර ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාවෙන් ඉගෙන ගන්න එක පහසුයි. ඒ vocabulary එක පහසුයි. Real output. Right. Okay. So this is the equation of exchange. We can explain the quantity theory of money with this equation of exchange. But there are assumptions. What are the assumptions? Assumptions. There are assumptions. Right. උපකල්පන තියෙනවා මේක. මොනවද උපකල්පන? That's where Ajit Niwat Kabral is saying that printing money will not cause an inflation. Because this is based on assumptions. He is following those assumptions. Upakalpana. Right? What are the assumptions? Velocity of circulation and real output remain constant. right? Especially this real output remains constant, sthavro pavadino, and it cannot change. Real output cannot increase. That means we have reached the full employment level as we said before. As we said before, right? Real output cannot change. That is the assumption. Especially, this is also an assumption, but this is the most important assumption. Right? This is what Cabral is saying. Cabral කියන්නේ මේක තමයි. Right? Okay. So, what is the situation then? When these two things, velocity of circulation and real output remain constant, if there is an increase in money supply, say 10%, there will be a proportionate increase in general price level. So if the money supply increases by 10%, general price level will increase by 10%. That is a mathematical fact, which is true. If this is the situation, මෙන්න මේක නම් තත්ත්වය මේක සත්‍යයක්. මොකද තත්ත්වය? Real output remains constant. That means in the economy there is no potential to grow further at that particular moment. Right? Okay. So we can analyze it. When the real output is constant, we can analyze අපිට විශ්ලේෂණය කරන්න පුළුවන්. When the real output is constant, real output එක ස්ථාවරව තිබෙන විට, if there is an increase in money supply, if the money supply increases, there will be an increase in price level proportionately. Price level increases proportionately with the same percentage. So Cabral said that printing money had no impact on the inflation. Right? This is what he is using. He is assuming that when the money supply increases, real output can also grow. Right? If the potential can grow like this with the increase in money supply, then the impact of increase in money supply will not affect the general price level. මේකේ බලපෑම මේකට එන්නේ නැහැ එතකොට. මේ output එක increase එකත් එක්ක ඒක නැති වෙලා යනවා. That's what he is arguing. Right? Actually, the government is taking some measures. I can see that as an economics teacher. They are trying to do new things. Potential එක වැඩි වෙන්නේ අලුත් දෙයක් සිද්ධ වෙනවා. Right? The potential has to grow. I appreciate that measure. This organic farming, yani chemicals පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ නැතුව කරන ලබන ගොවිතැන. If it can be successfully launched, ඒක සාර්ථකව හැබැයි දියත් කරන්න ඕන. Launched. ඒක අසාර්ථක කරගන්න හොඳ නැහැ. That will grow the potential. විභවය potential එක grow කරන අලුත් දේවල්. ඒ වගේම tourist hotels දාන එක රට වටේ. Right? ඒක කැලෑවල් එලි කරලා කරනවා නම් ඒක sustainable නැහැ. Sustainable අපිට ඒකත් බලන්න ඕන. Sustainable development. ධර්මීය සංවර්ධනය නැත්නම් the development that does not affect the environment, the economy and the future generation. අනාගත පරම්පරාවට බලපාන්නේ නැති සංවර්ධනයක් වෙන්නේ. Right? So they have to manage it. But they are good measures taken by the government. රජය විසින් අරගෙන ලබන ක්‍රියාමාර්ග. Measures taken by the government. But they have to do it in a sustainable manner. Right? So they are the measures which can grow the potential. If they are doing it, then printing money will not have that impact on the general price level. However, at this moment of the economy, මේ වෙලාවේ මොකද තියෙන්නේ? Is there any potential to grow in the economy? Is there any potential to increase the real output? Potential. වී හැකියාවක් විභවයක් තියනවාද මේක වැඩි වෙන්න? No. Aggregate supply also has decreased at the moment, right? So they can only expand some areas, but some other areas remain stagnant. එක තැන තියෙන්නේ. So when they pump more money into the economy, what will happen? General price level will increase. When they pump more money, pump karna money වැඩිපුර දානවා. That is happening now. Think about what now. Today I saw a post in Facebook. What has happened to the price of sugar? It is rapidly increasing. It is called hyperinflation situation. ඒක මේ නිකන් inflation නෙමෙයි. ඒක hyper situation. දැන් මාසයක් ඇතුළත 120 තීච්ච එක 220ට ගිහිල්ලා. That is a critical serious situation. Right? You can understand what is happening. It will happen to all the essential goods. සියලුම අත්‍යවශ්‍ය භාණ්ඩ. Cabral is a politician. What he says is politically correct. And there is an idiom. What he says is politically correct. Right? දේශපාලන වශයෙන් සත්‍යයි. idiom එක disgrace කරන්න, to disgrace. To doubt what politicians say. Politicians ලා කියන දේ සැක කරන්න තියෙන idiom එකක් ඕක. What he says is politically correct. He's a politician. Yeah, of course, he's the former governor of the central bank. So now we can see when real output remains constant, when real output is constant, then there is an increase in money supply. Right? When real output remains constant, when real output ස්ථාවරව තියෙන විට, if there is an increase in money supply, මුදල් සැපීමේ වැඩිවීමක් සිදු වුණොත්, what will happen? There will be an increase in general price level proportionately. When this increase, when the money supply increases by 10%, general price level will increase by 10%. That is the mathematical fact. That is known as demand pull inflation. Right? However, this happens under this situation when the country is unable to expand the real output any further. Country is unable, to expand the real output. Real output එක වැඩි කරන්න බැරි නම්. Right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Actually, my purpose was to talk about a current situation and give you an opportunity to develop your English speaking skills. Please listen to the same thing several times. කිහිප වතාවක්. Then you will be familiar of what I speak. Right? So this is the way. You have to listen first. See, listen, practice, speak. That is the way. Therefore, I request you to subscribe my channel and share the videos and even click the bell icon so that you see more videos when I publish them. Thank you very much.